Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you a stunning prefab home with a price tag that won't leave you stunned. The search for the perfect prefab home continues as the feedback pours on into the comments, making me wonder if it even exists. Here's the thing, the perfect prefab home is going to be different for every single person who watches this video. So if it gets 250 views, that's 250 different opinions on the right size, shape, location, and price, and I've yet to post a video that's been perfect for every single viewer. Until now. No. Wishful thinking, but worth a shot, am I right? One of the great things about this industry is there are so many options available all over the world, and I won't stop until I've looked at them all. So you better get used to this face. The company I'm talking about is called Nord Cabin, with their lineup of small footprint, modern prefab homes that look really slick. What I'm going to do is tell you about the company, look at their models, and check out their pricing. Nord Cabin is a relatively new prefab home builder offering sustainable building solutions that look amazing and don't break the bank. What they've got is a lineup of environmentally friendly cabins built from sustainable materials that they say are just as much as one needs. A warm, cozy shelter without losing the connection to the nature around you. Versatile, yet built with purpose. This has been an interesting market to follow the last couple of years. There are new companies entering the space all over the world, and I think we needed it. There was a time not that many years ago that I ordered a home from a factory for a customer and received it in under 6 weeks. I don't think there are enough builders in the industry to service the amount of people trying to buy, because wait times are a lot longer than that. I don't think 6 weeks needs to be the gold standard that companies shoot for, but I don't think 3 to 6 months is out of the question depending on the nature of the home that's being built. If the popularity of homes built partially or completely in a factory continues to increase, which I think it will, I think we can expect to see more new companies entering the space in the coming years. Not only will that hopefully tighten up the time from order to delivery, but I think it'll keep companies honest with their pricing, and we might see the pencil sharpeners coming out now and again. On the Nord Cabin website, they say life is for more fun, which is simple yet sound advice if you think about it. Tough to argue that more fun could be a bad thing. The point they're making is the building process can be complicated, and to entrust production to the professionals and use the extra time that you aren't worried about a build to have some fun. Their cabins are fully built in their factory using cross-laminated timbers for the core of the structure. They stand for quality materials used, fast construction time, and affordable prices. On top of that, I do really like the look of what they're building here. Something about the black roof with the wood cladding really pops. If you want to get your mitts on a Nord Cabin, here's how they've broken it down. They've broken the process down into 6 steps on their website. Step 1 is probably the most fun, aside from maybe the final step, and that's to choose your cabin. Step 2 is to contact them. It doesn't say much more than that, so I'm guessing you just tell them what model you'd like to purchase. Step 3 is choose specification. There's a hot pocket of prefab home companies building some really cool options in Latvia, and Nord Cabin's one of them. Step 3 is important because you want to make sure they're willing and able to build to whatever specification you need in your area. I slid into their DMs, and right now their primary focus is Europe, with homes currently shipping as far as Austria. Step 4 is sign the agreement, and this is when you're 100% sure you're going ahead with the purchase because there's no turning back from there. Step 5, they build out the unit, and right now they're showing a production time of 4 to 6 weeks, which is lightning fast by today's standards. However, it isn't noted if that's the total time or just the production time. The home might take 4 to 6 weeks to build, but they might have 6 months worth of orders before yours, meaning the total time would be 6 months plus 4 to 6 weeks. Step 6 is taking delivery of the new cabin, by far the best step of all. Let's check out their units. Nord Cabin currently has 3 different sizes available, ranging in size from around 250 square feet up to almost 500 square feet, starting with the NC20. A market that seems to have really taken off in the last couple of years is accessory spaces. One of the suggested uses given on the website is the home office, and it makes a lot of sense. I'm sure there are people out there who can sit down to work at home and block out every single one of the distractions that are present in the home, like leftovers, for example, but I am not one of them, and there must be others out there like me, because this segment is popping. The other suggested use given is the more obvious one, a dwelling, so let's see what they got going on here. First of all, I like the Scandinavian look of the exterior of their models. I'm a noted modern look monoslope roof guy, but the peak roof combined with everything they've got going on here works very well. The NC20 has a large window on the front and an optional terrace with a roof that all add to the look. Entering into the studio, there's a coat closet and a bathroom to the right, and the main living space on the left. The bathroom is fully equipped with everything bathrooms require to do the bathroom jobs. Into the main part of the home, as with every studio model, the living space serves a double purpose as both the bedroom at night and the living space during the day. The description says Scandinavian minimalism in design, quality in materials, and you can design the interior to your choice. With a kitchenette located on the wall shared with a bathroom, the NC20 has everything you need. However, I know there will be people looking for a little more elbow room, so let's keep moving. The next size up in the line is the NC30. If you haven't put it together yet, the NC stands for Nordkabin. That's why I'm here. The NC30 has a total footprint of almost 400 square feet, which is enough of an increase in space to take it from a studio to a one bedroom. The interior has the same look as the NC20, and the description says a minimalist interior design is a great look for homes of all shapes and sizes, but especially tiny homes, using the bare essentials to create a simple and uncluttered space. The floor plan is similar to the 20, but on the other side of the bathroom, they've added a bedroom. On the exterior of the home, that means an extra window, which I think adds to the overall look of the home because there's just that little bit more of eye candy to catch your gaze. Every potential buyer is going to have a different wish list depending on a bunch of different factors in their life, so there will be those that want a smaller studio space and those that simply must have a proper bedroom. Like I said, the perfect home is different for everyone. The biggest home currently offered by Nordkabin is their NC37. At first glance, the NC37 doesn't look a whole lot different than the 30. But it is. It's both wider and longer for a total footprint just shy of 500 square feet. Anytime you add width to a home like this, I find it makes a noticeable difference to the overall feel of the home. When I first started selling manufactured homes, we would sell a lot of 14 wides. Then for a while, 16 wides were the top choice. And finally, we got into 18 wides. But I have a feeling people might be looking for smaller units until prices settle down a little bit. The extra size on the NC37 also adds a few more available options to the exterior, including a door off the living room at the end and the possibility of a door off the bedroom. I think if I was purchasing the NC37 for myself, I'd probably just stick with one door off the front. That way I could have more options for furniture placement in the living room that I'd probably never change. Out of the three options available from Nordkabin, this is my personal favorite, and of course, it's the most expensive. Isn't that always the way? Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to check out pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting the video. The prices are listed in euros, but I will convert to USD at the current exchange rate. The NC20 starts at 34,700, the NC30 starts at 40,700, and the NC37 starts at 47,500 euros. Nordkabin is a new prefab home company building sustainable cabins in Latvia. Right now they have considered a move into the North American market, but their first order business is scaling up production in Europe. I really like the look of what they're offering, and there seems to be some serious value, so I think they'll be a popular choice for those who are located within their delivery radius. I find the options coming out of Latvia and some of the surrounding countries really cool, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.